This is Dr. David Schein, and welcome to Business Law 101. So again, as we mentioned, the state and the federal court systems run parallel to each other. One of the things that's important is to understand the jurisdiction of the case is whether the courts have the power to hear a case. And generally speaking, here in Texas, we have tiers. Many of you are familiar with the fact that Texas has a justice of the peace system. Justice of the peace can also be called small claims court. So here in Harris County, where I'm sitting, a justice of the peace can hear cases all the way up to $15,000. So the justice of the peace can hear fairly high cases. Now, from $15,000 to $100,000, we have a county court system. And then if the case is over $100,000, you can have a decision heard by the district courts, the state district court. So we have 3 levels of trial courts here in Texas, depending on the amount of money in controversy. Now, in contrast, the federal government limits its jurisdiction to 2 types of cases. A case involving a federal question. That could be bankruptcy, it could be admiralty law, it could be a situation where people are they're in different states, but if they're in different states, that's called diversity jurisdiction. There needs to be $75,000 in controversy for them to get to the federal courts. One of the things that comes up, because we do business all over the United States today with all our different online businesses and shipping things, and so the question becomes, where can a business be sued? A business can be sued any place that it does business in any significant manner. And this means that, you may be sitting in California and running a high-tech company and doing business all over the country, and somebody's unhappy with you in Virginia. That court in Virginia may be able to get control of your case and say, you need to come from California to Virginia to protect yourself. So that's not a welcome sign when you hear that, hey, you've been sued in another state. That's not your best day, but just so you're aware, that's a possibility.